Okay. I'm going to zoom in here and show you what he's doing. Actually, we'll go to the back part of the layout and I will show you what our club president is working on. Some neat new features that we're going to have during the South Florida Fair. And I hope you enjoy it. To show you YouTubers what we do here. What's brand new is we put in some Digitrax plugins. However, you're not going to be able to see those. Those are going to be covered up for the fair. And what we're doing here is he's putting in some new buttons for people to push for the fair. So we're going to have some new special effects noises for the fair exhibit, which is right there. And we also still have the color. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'm going to show you a little bit. And Hookem right here, this is Hookem Yard. This is our main yard that we stage stuff for the fair and for regular operations. So, primary fair, primary yard here.
I had to stop it.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and the next one's going to be up the next video is going to be of my silver meteor. Thanks, and we'll see you in a little bit.